In front of you, traders, software for NinjaTrader 8. Market been stuck in this very nasty, very aggressive trade. This is a critical key event, critical key target that identifies weakness. This shows you clearly market oversold. If you ever short, you short bold red zone. This is critical key institutional brick wall. Not just retail. This is retail. This is a crawl, this is a pain, short is done. To the upside, price testing this key level. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. Every single time you will decide to trade aggressively, you must obey this level. Conservative option, you are not in this trade. This is extremely important event. Intelligent trader understands conservative trades are here. Aggressive trades are here. There is no other option. Market loaded with aggressive trades. Price always moves one step at a time. You choose to trade aggressively, expect pain. Expect crawl. Trades on multiple other charts, software projected on 1 minute chart. There is nothing else. Only this is present. Ultimate precision during junky retail market conditions. But if you look on Amazon in front of you on your right, system shown you clearly. If you buy the bottom on Amazon since 2023, this is key brick wall to the upside, 160. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary levels, proprietary rules. As traded by JP Morgan traders, as traded by financial advisors, as traded by investors all over the world since 2011. In the trading room, you're witnessing the power of the software and you have opportunity to ask questions. In the class, you learn how to apply the system to all time frames, all platforms, all instruments. And if you decide to trade on MT4, MT5, of course you can. Identical level applies. You will never need another system ever again. If you're trading euro, if you're trading pound, if you're trading oil, if you're trading gold, it's all the same. Only difference, risk management and trade whole time. You pass psychological test, day trading is for you. You can stay in your lane, you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci System. If not, use system long term. In the class, you see instantly how if you traded last year 5 minutes, you would have made hundreds of points on S&P, hundreds and thousands of points on Dow and Nasdaq. Day trading is never, ever, ever a requirement. In private mentoring, I test you, I quiz you, I show you if day trading is for you. If not, use system long term. Identical levels, identical rules apply. Only difference, risk management and trade whole time. Identical event that's playing out currently on gold long-term chart played out on S&P mini future in front of you. It's junky correction on S&P, it's junky correction on gold. What is the difference? If you're holding position on gold, it lasts months. If you're holding position on S&P, it lasts minutes. And that's a world of difference. Absolutely your personal choice, what you will decide to trade. And that's stunning reminder of very aggressive trade. With identical level except on NinjaTrader 8. Long-term system can be traded on TradingView, MT4, Fidelity, Interactive Brokers, platforms I never even heard of. From Florida to New York to Japan to South Africa to Dubai to Saudi Arabia, every trade a different account, every trade a different background. So if you are prepared as intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader and you know hours and days in advance where market heading to, everything changes completely. 2023 was extremely easy to trade, was a bliss, riding institutional power. There is nothing easy about 2024 for a trader who does not understand institutional levels, who does not understand institutional holds versus entries versus exits. If institutions keep holding longs, keep adding to long positions, this will require ultimate skill to trade. And that's ultimate test and a very different trending market. Stunning bullish rally picked up this steam last time in October 2023, and you knew this far in advance. Do you remember how important this level is? Do you remember this level on S&P to the upside? No software on this chart, none. Software for NinjaTrader 8 is here. That's weakness. So when the price reminds you how important this moment is, you understand quite well. Next level to follow. Bold green zone, institutional buy point. As intelligent trader, you're riding the power. As intelligent trader, you understand. It's a very different market, 4200 level versus 4800. 4800 requires ultimate skill and knowledge of pure price to trade. And that's how you adjust to market conditions. Every month is different. Every year is different. You ride institutional power. You are not a gambler. You understand the power of volatility and volume and institutional entries and exits. And that's the software for NinjaTrader 8 that played out in front of you this morning. I recorded multiple videos to remind you. You short red zone. You understand extremely well where aggressive bullish pullbacks are. You're excited about this afternoon. It's institutional buy point correlating with retail. That's it. Buyers here already, but buyers are weak. Rules are met, you take a trade. This is a problem to the upside. There is no surprise, all precise. So what played out in front of you this morning is what we will discuss next in institutional class. Again, no software on this chart. This applies to every time frame. This is stunning place to be. Sell the top. Obey the rules. Can you do that? And you will never need another system ever again. So I love working with children of my students. When father bringing his son to the course, father is a hedge fund manager who is trading system, moving multi-million-dollar accounts. But Dominic was bored during lockdown, shown to the world simplicity of the system, trading instantly, futures with Alpha Fibonacci software, trading completely different account, completely different instruments than his father. So if you understand that in simplicity lies the power, all you have to do, make an effort and apply the rules. Because if 14-year-old Dominic can do it, anyone can. While his father trading completely different instruments on completely different time frames. It's an ultimate honor. So when you come to the website and you meet a husband who brought his wife to the course, the manual, and you meet Carlton who keeps bringing his friends to the course, it tells you everything you need to know. Emmanuel and his wife are full-time traders now. Jennifer, with 2 little babies on her arms, trading the most volatile future, Nasdaq. If Jennifer can do it, if Emmanuel can do it, if Theo can do it, who is here this morning, it's absolute joy and honor when student stops by from the middle of the night in Australia to say hello. That's it. So please view students' emails, listen to students' podcasts, read students' reviews. So this is the email my new year started with from Jamal, who left Saudi Arabia and bought house in France because Jamal understands the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, and when euro was at the ultimate low. The biggest words from Jamal. I want to thank you warmly for the effort, the valuable time and unfailing you providing to the Alphys community. Your dedication is priceless and worth the value of your courses and materials. That's it. Jamal focuses on long-term trading. Very different than Dominic. Exact same as Dominic's father. So when you listen to the podcast, read students' reviews and view students' emails, if these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do is identify instrument and time frame appropriate for you. Private mentoring savings $8,000 includes group course, video library, modules, trading room. Option 2 group course savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. You can start viewing prior live recorded classes videos 24/7. Most of our students work full-time or all over the world, and that's not a problem to study long-term via viewing videos of prior live recorded classes. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.